Hello, Greg Tolentino, Applications Engineer at TEGAM, here again to show you how to access and use the statistics on TEGAM's 900 series intrinsically safe thermometers. To start, always press clear for about 1.5 seconds. This resets all of your statistics values so that you can start with a fresh data set. To see your statistics data, press View. For single channel models, the first statistic will be displayed on the LCD. For dual channel models, the T1 minus T2 value will be displayed. Just press View one more time and the first statistic will be displayed. The Channel 1 minimum statistic is displayed. This is the minimum value since the instrument was turned on and the last time clear was pressed. To display the maximum value, press View again. To display the average value, press View one more time. And to display the overall measurement range, press View again. This is the difference between the minimum and maximum values. And press View one more time to see the standard deviation for the entire measurement set. For two-channel models, press View again to see the same statistics for Channel 2. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos highlighting the many features of the TEGAM 900 series thermocouple thermometers.
When the measurement matters, be certain with TEGAM.